Hey guys, I'm here at a hiking park today down by a river with Broly. Scarlett has her OFAs today, so she's at the vet right now with that. And in the meantime, I thought I would do a video with Broly here. This is a new one for both of us too. Never been here, but it's good to come to places like this so you can get a good idea. Like once you feel your dog's pretty good recall trained, you can get a good idea on how well they actually are e-collar trained or recall trained. Is that yours now, buddy? Yeah, it is. Now, it's a pretty cold day, about 10 degrees when I checked, about when I dropped Scarlett off. Rolly, here. And something I wanted to bring up too, the reason why I say here instead of come or whatever is because the guy who actually taught me e-collar training, I've tagged him in an Instagram post before. His name is Blackwater Wolf Dogs, and he's got, what is it, 4 wolf dogs off leash, recall trained. One's a low content, about 20%. Another's an upper mid at 80%. And 2 others, they're still pretty young yet, almost a year old. They're high content, 95% plus. And yeah, he, kind of was my mentor in e-collar training. So that's where I get the Broly here, the saying here anyway from. And someone did say on my last video with my phone that the camera was a little wobbly, so I'm trying to make it a bit more still here. I have a stabilization setting on, so I hope that works. I mean, it looks good from what I'm seeing through the phone here, but right here, this is a lot of ice. We had a warm couple days, 35s up into 40s. So a lot of this melted again, and now it's 10 degrees, so it's frozen. You can hear it cracking under my feet. Rolly here. Now his recall is pretty good. Right, buddy. Honestly, German Shepherds from, not that I have recall trained a lot of dogs, but Broly was definitely the easiest. German Shepherds are naturally very Velcro dogs. And, that's why Broly's in a lot of my videos, is because he's my Velcro dog. I like to do a lot of work with him. I like training him, and he likes to come with me, so it's a good video. Or it's a good relationship we have. But yeah, Scarlett's OFAs, so she's getting her hips and elbows certified through OFA. Basically what they're going to do is take x-rays, line her up properly, make sure her hips are, solid. And that's just, at this point, more for peace of mind. It's something you do with breeding dogs. You get their hips, elbows checked, because that hip dysplasia can be genetic and usually is. So like, if you have a dog with, bad hips, hip dysplasia, well, this one's gonna be fun. More ice. And look at you, you mountain goat. You got no problem. I'm just trying to go slow. And we made it. Anyway. Yeah, so it's usually something breeders will do. A dog with bad hips usually produces bad hips. Now, of course, nothing's an exact science, so there are, or you can get a dog with bad hips producing good hips. It's very rare. Or you can get a dog with good hips produce bad hips. Usually the case with a dog producing, a good hip dog producing bad hips is that there's usually something environmental that causes the hip dysplasia. Like way too much movement when they're young, or something else. And that doesn't mean the dog is genetically bad, but there's no really easy way to tell. So it's not something you really want to test. But as far as I can see, Scarlett's had good hips in her whole pedigree. Her parents both had great hips. Parents before those had good hips. So I'm not too concerned that she'll have bad ones. How's it, buddy? You're supposed to explore. We are kind of right next to town too, so there are houses and river there. Rolly, here. Good boy. Good boy, yeah. I did pick up 30 pounds of rabbit, and I got about 5 whole rabbits. And I know you guys like seeing Ruka and stuff, and the other dogs, but I think I'm gonna do a quick video with the puppies eating that. Just because they've only gotten one pretty much one meal time with just them, and they're awesome puppies, so I like showing them off. All right, buddy. Now, this isn't a huge park area, unfortunately. I thought it was going to be bigger. I was going to go to another one, but it said no off-leash pets. So, as a law-abiding citizen I am, I decided against that and came to this one instead. Which is still nice. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, huh? Right now, Broly actually has on the Garmin Alpha collar because I couldn't find the remote for the Delta. The Alpha actually comes with a GPS tracker. So, as you can see, maybe not. But it shows us our location. Usually Lucian's hooked up to this one, so that's why his name's up there. But yeah, it's Broly's today. I don't know what's there about. Who's a good boy? Now let's go this way. Let's go this way. Gotta own all these trees. Bunch of crows flying around. Rolly here. Good boy. Now that's recall, when the dog actually comes back to you. Rolly here. Good boy. Good boy. Bumps. Rolly. Here. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, break. As you can see though, a lot of this just frozen on. I can just stomp my feet right in, but I'm not falling through. At least not everywhere. Come on, buddy. Also with the Garmin collar, you can see on the top maybe, there are 3 settings. One's vibrate, one's about medium at 6, and the other's at high. That's what's nice about the Alpha, is you don't have to constantly switch back and forth between things. Basically, I keep Broly at about a 6. I don't use the vibrate, but I keep him at about a 6. And otherwise he usually ignores the rest. And the 18 is there for emergency, basically. I don't foresee any issues, but better to be safe. And I think I'll end the video right about here, at this nice scenic river. Thanks for watching, guys. Say goodbye to Broly. Broly. Yeah. Say goodbye to the fans and subscribers. All right. Take care, guys. If you like the video, subscribe.